Dr. Michael Umoh, a medical doctor at Lagos University Teaching Hospital, LUTH, has died after working for 72 hours straight in the neurosurgery unit. According to reports, Michael died during a church service at the United Evangelical Church on Sunday, September 17, 2023. The Association of Resident Doctors on Tuesday, in a protest letter titled "An Appeal by the House Officers of LUTH" and addressed to the Chief Medical Director, expressed their deep grief over their colleague's death. The doctors also accused their senior colleagues of bullying and not providing feeding and good accommodation. They claimed Michael returned home at about 3 a.m. on Sunday after a 72-hour shift in the hospital to get prepared for church service. They stated that he slumped while in church, adding that he had barely slept in their apartment before that day. Meanwhile, the management of the Lagos University Teaching Hospital, Idi-Araba, Lagos State, has denied allegations that Dr. Michael Umoh died after a 72-hour call. This was contained in a statement issued by his spokesman, Omolola Fakeye, in Lagos. Fakeye noted that it is important for LUTH management to make clarifications regarding the circumstances surrounding Umoh's death, even as his family has requested the foreclosure of any media engagements. According to Fakeye, records from neurosurgery unit revealed that the last time Umoh was on call was on the 13th and 14th of September, and he was at home with his parents on the 15th, 16th, and the 17th, the day he died, contrary to the insinuations on social media. He also stated that prior to this time, Dr. Umoh was on call on the 7th and 8th of September, which shows that he was on call for a total number of 4 days in September 2023. Fakeye further stated that a delegation from LUTH visited the family on Wednesday, September 20, to sympathize with the family and to get more details of the circumstances surrounding his death. According to him, the parents gave the details of what they thought must have contributed to his death, but however, pleaded that the wish of the family be respected and that the narrative is not for public consumption. The management described Umoh as a hard-working and diligent house officer and a very promising young man. It said he will be sorely missed by his friends and colleagues. Netizens have since taken to social media to share their thoughts on the alleged cruel treatment meted out to doctors. Temilade Niyi on X wrote, "May the gentle soul of Dr. Umoh Michael H.O. LUTH rest in peace. I pray his family finds succor in this difficult period. Medical doctors, employers, administrators, supervisors, and senior colleagues need to be punished for overworking people. He is not the first and he won't be the last, except things change. It's not a cause but reality. Working hours for doctors need to be regulated. People need to be held accountable. Enough is enough." Dr. Babatunde wrote, "Recruit more doctors. Government is saying no. There are more than 1,500 house officers waiting to get into house job. Why have they not been recruited? The house officers are overworked in every institution. Now we lost another doctor in LUTH. This is so sad. Nigeria needs to do better." Former Senate President Abubakar Bukola Saraki has employed the government to improve the working conditions of healthcare practitioners across Nigeria. Saraki said this in reaction to the death of Dr. Umoh Michael on his X account on Thursday, September 21. He said the issue of overworking doctors poses a risk to their physical and mental health and also jeopardizes the quality of care they can provide to patients. Saraki stated that when he met with the members of the National Association of Resident Doctors last month, he was deeply troubled by the concerns they raised about the long hours and challenging work conditions that medical doctors face. According to him, the health of our society depends on the strength of our healthcare system, and that Dr. Umoh's death should serve as a wake-up call to everyone. Please subscribe to this channel, News Pop NG, for more updates. Like and share the video and drop your comments down the comment section. I am Drmichaelumoh. Thanks for watching.